Bob's here been wanting me to make you a video on some testimonials on your easy way out, and I finally gave in, so here they are.
I could tell you about our secret system that allows you to earn thousands in affiliate commissions in just a few minutes of work per day, but I thought instead it would be better to have our existing members tell you for me.
Let me tell you, this program is really easy. What I mean is that Brett and Mike have really simplified the process. Knowing their track record, I followed them for years. They put out quality products and training, and they really like to stick to the things that actually work.
Generate thousands in monthly commissions with 20 or 30 minutes of work per day without a lot of complications. You don't need a website. You don't need special tools. You don't even need an email list.
Because it's, for the first time, the best step-by-step training course in internet marketing that I've seen.
I stumbled upon the internet marketing field a few years ago. I've struggled. And I owe it to these two guys for showing me a simple way for you to earn a couple of $100 or 4 figures a month. Right? So if I can do it, I believe you can too.
Click below to see what everyone's so excited about.
I hope you like those. I hope they made sense. Look for the link below if you're interested. Bob loves it.